Hey everybody, welcome to my website. I am so glad you're here. I want to take a couple minutes and introduce you to the site and to myself and tell you what you can find here and how to use things. My name is Dr. Blake Schusterman and I'm a board certified kidney doctor, nephrologist, and I practice in Greenville, South Carolina. And I'm also here as the Cooking Doc. And I started this Cooking Doc platform because I wanted to empower all of my patients and the people that come and see me with the tools they need to help manage their kidney disease through food, because frankly, I love to eat. I'm a big believer in making food that tastes delicious, but that also is nourishing for your body. And when I would see people in my office or in the dialysis unit or in the hospital with kidney disease, they often wouldn't know what to eat. The other thing was that the internet was full of misinformation, trying to paint the diet for people with kidney disease as a one-size-fits-all diet, when instead, the kidney disease diet really varies for everybody depending on where they are along their journey. So this site and everything I do as the Cooking Doc is for you, and I want to show you how to use my website in a way where you can really empower yourself. So this website is not only for people with kidney disease, but also for anybody who's looking for a way to make healthy food and to learn more about how food impacts their entire body. If you've been diagnosed with kidney disease, let me tell you how to navigate this site and what you'll find here. The recipe page is always being updated. I'm trying to add new recipes once a month. And the recipes there really are focused for people along the spectrum of kidney disease. If you're diagnosed with kidney disease, depending where you are along the spectrum, you may need a low potassium diet, or you may need a high potassium diet. You may need a low protein diet or a higher protein diet if you're on dialysis. And most of my recipes can be tailored so they fit anywhere along that spectrum. They've all been created by me and a professional recipe developer, and then they've all been analyzed by a dietitian so you can see how much sodium, how much potassium, how much phosphorus is in each of these recipes. And my goal with these recipes was to not only make them healthy, but also to make them taste delicious. I think you'll absolutely love them, and it will give you the ability to start cooking at home, to join the home cooking movement, and develop the knowledge and the tools that you need to manage your kidney disease with your diet. Now, even if you don't have kidney disease, most of those recipes fall along what's called the Mediterranean diet spectrum. And the Mediterranean diet is one of those diets that has been demonstrated to help lower the risk of cardiovascular disease, help people manage diabetes and high blood pressure, and even kidney disease. Plus, they're just so tasty that anybody who's looking to really develop the home cooking skills to help manage their health with lower sodium and healthier food, this is the place to go. If you eat those recipes for a month, your taste buds will completely transform. So you'll go from liking kind of higher sugar and higher salt foods to liking foods that have less sugar and less salt and are much healthier. You need those taste buds to change in order to be able to appreciate healthier food, and this website and those recipes are the perfect place to go. Now, besides food, we also have a lot of information about kidney health in general, and healthy eating, and high blood pressure. If you check out the YouTube tab and go over to my YouTube channel, I've got 200,000 subscribers there, and we regularly upload videos that talk about how to manage kidney disease with diet. They talk about what kidney disease is, whether or not kidney disease is curable. They answer a lot of your questions about kidney disease. I also have playlists about high blood pressure, because high blood pressure is very common. Almost 50% of the people in the United States, adults, have high blood pressure. So learning to manage that high blood pressure, learning to take your blood pressure okay at home, and also learning to eat right for that high blood pressure is key for your health. And if you don't have kidney disease or high blood pressure, we are expanding our content on our YouTube channel. So we are talking about healthy eating just in general. Everybody, whether you're a child or whether you're an adult, a grandparent, should be working towards healthier eating every single day. And I want to give you the tools to make that happen. So we're getting flavor, we're getting science, we're getting important information all right to your kitchen. That's why I'm talking to you from my kitchen, even though I'm a doctor. So thanks so much for being here, whether you're just looking for health in general, or you're looking to improve your kidney disease, or you're looking to manage your kidney disease, if you're at risk for it, or if you're all the way on dialysis or with a kidney transplant, you've come to the right place. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, send me a message, check out my book as well. I wrote a whole book on the topic of managing kidney disease with diet. I want you to check that out. There's a link to it here, and it can allow you to purchase either the electronic version or the real version, and you can get it delivered right to your house. I'm so glad you're here, and I'm proud of you for being empowered and for looking out for ways to make your health better. I hope you enjoy the site. Send me comments. Let me know what else you want to see.